Are you thinking of compensating your employees with equity in your startup? If yes, let's talk today about vesting and cliff periods that should be included in your employment agreement. What is vesting? Vesting is the process where an employee gradually gains ownership of their equity over time. If you offer shares as part of your compensation or your total compensation, vesting refers to the process through which the employee that is being offered shares gradually takes ownership of the equity that is being offered to them. There are different types of vesting period. There's the time-based vesting. Time-based vesting is when the employee takes ownership over a predetermined timeline. Performance-based vesting, ownership equity depends on hitting specific predefined goals that the employee must meet. Then there's the hybrid vesting, which is a mix of both the time-based vesting and the performance vesting. What then is a cliff period? A cliff period is the waiting time before an employee can access their equity. If an employee leaves before the cliff period is over, they do not get anything from your corporation. For example, if you offer a 4-year vesting period with a 1-year cliff period, it means that in that 1 year, the employee does not gain any ownership of the equity that has been offered to them. Why should you use a vesting and a cliff period? Vesting and cliff period helps protect your business against short-term hires. It protects you such that the ownership of your company is not in the hands of people who are just job hopping and moving from one organization to the other. It encourages employee retention such that you only work with people whose goals align with yours and who are in it for the long haul. It aligns incentives for long-term growth. Before offering equity, make sure that your employment agreements are clear and that both parties understand their obligations in the agreement. Tag a startup founder who needs to see this.